What's up, guys? So tonight for dinner, broccoli, potatoes, and salmon. Guys, literally, I do not like going to the grocery store. If you know me, you know back in the day, I never used to go to the grocery store, like, ever. That was that was what my mom was for, sisters and grandma, all of them. But anyways, nowadays, I'm, going to the grocery stores. When I was in the grocery store today, my roommate was not answering the phone to me, so I was getting a little bit panicked in there trying to figure out like what I wanted. I just don't like going grocery shopping, and this is why I need a personal assistant. But anyways, more of the story is I'm trying to stay consistent. Consistency is everything. Remember to be consistent because it will play a major role like in the future and everything. Something I need to learn how to do. Just came back from the gym. That's why I got on these clothes. But yeah, y'all, remember to stay consistent. Remember to put in the effort, put in the work, 100% effort. You'll get 100% results. And I'm out because I got to eat. Bye.